What's up everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get SAT refund in Uzbekistan. And the reason why I'm shooting this video is because I see many students struggling with this problem, and when I searched about how to get a refund in YouTube, I found that there were no videos about it, so I'm gonna be the first one, and I hope that in this video I'm gonna benefit some students who are struggling with this problem. So let's get started. I am more than sure that right now you have one question in your mind, and it is, what are the requirements of getting SAT feedback? So, first of all, you should be a citizen of Uzbekistan. Secondly, you should score at least 1200 or above to get your SAT feedback. And let's say you scored 1190 on SAT test and it's not gonna satisfy the requirements, and you're automatically gonna get rejected and you will not be able to get SAT feedback. So let me show you a quick guide of getting SAT feedback, and let me share you my screen. So first of all, you should sign into your College Board account, and then you should send your scores to the official place and press send your scores, this button, and there you should also enter a certain code, Ministry of Uzbekistan's Education there, and it's gonna be official delivered to the Ministry of Uzbekistan's Education, yes, and we're gonna do continue, and now you should choose a certain score you need, then and you can choose anything above 1200 or 1200, anything can get you a refund, it doesn't matter. So in my case I chose 1470, one score, and I'm gonna send it to the Ministry of Uzbekistan's Education, but it's also gonna ask $14 to send it officially from College Board, so you gotta pay some money from Visa or debit card, and then you should type there mygovernment.uz, and we're gonna open this website. And also, for those who are not registered for this website, they should register first there. Ro'yxatdan o'tish button, you should click on it. Yeah, ro'yxatdan o'tish, yes, continue. Then you should put your, when you are born, let's say 26.11.2000. And also there you should write your passport in ID. There is number and letters, and if you have ID right now with yourself, you should look in the right bottom corner and you are gonna find it. So it's gonna be in this way, AB 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, and there you should write your email, let's say something a email.com or something like that. I mean, everyone has different emails, yes. And also there is a number, you're gonna enter your own number. For example, let's say 911111111. It's for an example, and you're gonna get a special code there, and I don't know, just because it was imagine number, they're not gonna provide you with a message of code, and you're gonna fill out everything and you're gonna confirm it there, and also says that you are Men Uzbekistan Respublikasi fuqarosiman, because you are from Uzbekistan and it works only in Uzbekistan. Yes, let's go. Secondly, after you are registered, you're gonna log in. You can log in, let's say in the same way from the portal, create, yes, and yes, you should write your own login, and I'm gonna also enter my own password. Yeah, we are there, and it is my mygovernment.uz profile. So what are we gonna do there? We should find this one, sohalar, and find for use yoshlar. You're gonna click on it. Then there is this thing, o'qish va xalqaro imtihon tizimlari bo'yicha xarajatlarni qoplash. You're gonna get a refund for taking international tests, standardized ones like IELTS, ACT, GRE, or other kind of things. Yes, and Uh, you should press this button xizmatdan foydalanish in order to use the service. Yes. Okay. There you should select a region where you will be getting a refund. I mean, you should probably mention the bank there also. I mean, the location of the bank, Bukhara, Vilayat Bukhara. And in country is like the kind of exam you are taking, IELTS, SAT, and scholarship SAT. We are in our case right now. And let's say scholarship exam we got 1470. İmtihon topshirish uchun to'langan miqdor. You can write any number, but I would strongly recommend you to writing this number because I got refund by writing this number. And what's more interesting is that you're gonna get a refund not 1,414,000 so'ms, but just 1,400,000 so'ms. Yes. And olingan sertifikat ro'yxatdan o'tkazilgan raqami. It is record number in SAT. You can take it by opening your SAT profile. Let me show you quickly. So we should find our test score, this one in my case, and you should click to this button. Then after that you should click on this button, download report. Yeah, this file. So you're gonna open it. You're gonna find a record locator, this one. You only need this one. You're gonna copy it and paste there. Yes. After that you should also mention when did you get it, and it is in December 7th. You're gonna mention December and 7th. Yes. After that we're gonna write college board because it is asking us for organization name. Yes. Then we should also download their like file, and it should be like your certificate which we downloaded there, this one. Yeah, you're gonna put it there, and it should be the same, you know. Please don't screenshot it or don't Photoshop it, and it should be just the same as you download it from the official website. And there should be also check. In my case, due to the fact that I paid with Capital Bank Visa, it showed me in this way. You can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this file there, and that's all. I'm gonna press Uborish, and the government officials will be reviewing it, and after approximately like 40 or 30 days you will get a notification that you're gonna receive your money. And let me show you also how you're gonna receive your money. So to receive money, first of all we should download this app Hazna called. Yes, and it is this app Hazna. Opening it. As I'm already registered, I have nothing to do there. But as just because you are new, you should first register there. You should enter some passport ID data to make it relevant with your like mygovernment.us. So then after you get into your profile, you should click to this button, Yesho. Then you may find their social services, социальные услуги. You should click on it, and there you can find международное экзамен возмещение, refund for your exam. And just because I'm 16 years old, I'm gonna do лицо в возрасте до 31 года. Yeah, I should press this one and get my money by just clicking on this button, получить услугу, get a service. Just in my case, because I did not apply for Hazna, it's not gonna be there. But when you're gonna just request for a refund, after 40 days it's gonna come out, and there you can get it. And also it's gonna be there for 10 days, and after 10 days you may get it because it's gonna be frozen there for 10 days for safety reasons. I think it is the end for this video, guys, and I hope that students and other people will find this video very useful and informative, and I hope that is able to solve this problem, fortunately. And one more thing, guys, I have to also inform you that I have a Telegram channel where I usually post some things about admissions, ACT, IELTS, and also funny stuff. And I want you to follow that channel because my aim is to get 1,000 followers in 6 months. Yeah, I would be really grateful. And also, thank you for watching this video, like this video, and also subscribe. Thank you.